Good morning. My name is Vic Weaver, and I am a patient of Dr. Aldine's. We go back quite a way. Dr. Aldine has kept me looking at the green side for about 4 extra years that I'm aware of. And I was told by a leading surgeon that I need a transplant, and if I didn't have one, that I should go home, take care of my affairs, and say goodbye to everyone because I was a walking dead man at that point. Dr. Aldine intervened. He introduced me to ECP, which is external counter pulsation. It's a system where they put these cuffs on your calves, your thighs, and your buttocks, and in between heartbeats, pumps the blood back into your heart, hopefully giving you more oxygen and growth of veins. The good doctor has kept me going, and it has changed my life dramatically. I'm very active now. I'm no longer lethargic and tired and just logy and never wanted to do anything. But that's all changed now, thanks to him, and made my wife very happy also. And thank you, doctor.